Hit one.
She knocked him out.
No, I didn't knock him out.
It looked like it.
I hit him again.
How did you not knock him out?
I hit him twice, and he's not fucking knocked out. What the fuck?
There's two pushing up.
I'm hiding like a bitch. I'm
Try to
hiding
get
like a
behind him.
bitch.
Oh, I got one. I knocked one out. Or no,
Alright.
wait. No, I hit him a third time, and he's not knocked out. Shit. I'm knocked out, though. They're moving up.
There,
Yeah.
go.
One's moving up.
Rush him.
Throwing a grenade. He's throwing a grenade at me. Here comes the third one. Son, where are you?
You
throwing
guys
another
left me
grenade at me.
behind.
Jared, he's coming.
Jared, shoot him. He's running up. He's running up to me.
Oh my god.
Oh, I just killed 4 people.
Dude. Fish. I literally just saw the end
That
of
was
that. I saw you
terrible.
knock out 3 people.
He was right there. Where are
Oh
you?
my god, Fish.
I did that with 1 clip of ammo.
I know.
I had like fucking
saw.
16 bullets with a pistol. That's where the
saw
fuck
that.
I was.
Don't worry.
I hit him like 3 times though.
Yeah,
Oh, they're
saw it
talking. They're talking.
I am seriously the best
Who's
Player
talking
unknown.
right now?
individual ever.
FG.
all. Might as well just
Wait, am I getting
Yes.
shot at?